Victoria Police Sexual Crime Squad commenced an investigation in May this year after detectives discovered child abuse material. We immediately acted and executed a search warrant at the Point Cook home of a 26-year-old Joshua Brown. Brown was charged with over 70 offences which relate to alleged sexual assaults. He was subsequently remanded in custody and will face the Melbourne Magistrates Court on the 15th of September. It has been established that he has worked at 20 childcare centres across Melbourne between January 2017 and May 2025. Brown was not known to police prior to this investigation. However, as soon as we identified his alleged offending, he was removed from the community. He had a valid Working with Children check, which has since been cancelled.
We've worked with Victoria Police to identify and contact around 2,600 families, parents, children and carers of children who have attended the relevant childcare centre over the accused alleged offending working there. At this stage, we are recommending that around 1,200 children undergo testing for infectious diseases. Families and the wider community can be reassured that the infections that the children were potentially exposed to can be treated with antibiotics and that there's no broader public health risk to the community.
The safety of our children is our number one priority. The Early Childhood Regulator will immediately commence an investigation into the conduct of the early education providers in which the alleged offender has worked. Every health and mental health support will be provided to these families, and families who may have been affected have already been contacted directly, and as we've heard, a dedicated hotline has been set up to provide advice and support.